Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix an Arc dynamic link library error and error code minus 11. So thanks to the Reddit and thanks to Hellspawn, here you can try this method. You can open run by hold Windows key and R key in order to open run and open ms config. Here let's try Windows R and type ms config. Okay, click OK. Now you can try to click on boot and then click advanced option. Here you can click this box, number of processor. As you can see, my processor is maximum is 4 cores, and after that you can click OK, apply and restart your PC and try to reinstall the software or game that you want to install or game that you encounter this Unarc error. After you reinstall the game and successfully install, you can go back to the system configuration, advanced option, and you can untick this box again. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.